if someone wanted to drive in my shop with a hybrid vehicle, I should decline.
It depends on what they want to do.
Okay.
So with a hybrid vehicle, most of them you still have a gasoline engine. It still needs maintenance. So for the engine part, the routine maintenance would be the same as any other gasoline type engine. Some minor observations, yes, but generally no. There's an isolation switch on some of the cars that you can disconnect the high voltage circuit from the battery before you go to do any repairs. But usually that is for when you're going to do the electrical section of it, the high voltage electrical section. Also, whenever a technician is going to jack up these vehicles, the high voltage cables usually run underneath the vehicle and is colored bright orange. So you need to be mindful of where you're setting your jack to go up, because a lot of people go by these tire shops and they will just stick a jack underneath and crank.
How long do these high voltage batteries last?
Once you're driving it the way it's meant to be driven, it usually lasts between 8 to 10 years. Usually around 8 to 10 years. Some manufacturers have said they have gone a little bit further than that.
And is it expensive from Polar?
Yes, at this point in time, if you want to replace an entire battery pack, it's a bit expensive. You could buy individual cells to replace, but again, have a licensed technician to do that. But as the production of hybrid vehicles increase, the cost of the components is going to decrease.